What's up, everybody? Victor back with another video, and I have an important video right now. As you can see, we have a box. Shut up. And we have, me and my brother, we rescued this bird that fell from a tree.
It's okay.
We got it the shirt.
It doesn't like being
We got some water.
It's like it's not injured. What are you guys talking about?
And before, why would you just hit it like that? So we're gonna search for some worms for it. I don't know if they'll take them from humans, but I'll see. I know where some worms are. I know where the worms are. They're down here. Because it's darker dirt.
I'm gonna dig with this because...
Oh no, don't dig there. That's where we buried our old hamster. Down here.
Yeah, didn't you mention that? Oh, yeah, that's it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe like...
If I find a worm, I hope it eats it. Oh, I got one already.
Oh, he got a worm.
Oh, it's a chubby
Yeah.
one. I don't know if it's gonna eat the whole thing. That one right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. Probably
Can I
gonna eat
bring
him.
it over?
No, I got him.
Or her?
I think we gotta mush it up.
Yeah.
No, you don't. That's not what the birds do.
They just...
Yes, they chew it up in their mouth and then they throw it
The
up.
mom comes in and they're just like... Oh,
Alright, mush it up.
Get a rock.
sorry, but you're gonna die for that.
Yeah, there's like quadrillions of you in the world.
Do they even have brains?
Don't mash it.
Oh my gosh.
Just no, mash it out.
Put on this
It
rock.
doesn't eat like that. It needs to mash it up. Look at it. It doesn't want to eat it.
Oh, you're freaking putting a worm on it.
Mash
Like,
it up.
let me take it.
The mom just comes in.
I know.
Okay, well, that's
We're,
all
we're,
to say.
we're not gonna freaking put a worm in our mouth and freaking give it to a bird. So we'll have to do it another. I don't want to show you guys this.
Dumbass.
What?
Why don't you split a worm in half? It becomes two worms.
Because it has like a lot of brains, I think. I don't know.
Maybe that's why worms don't have dicks.
Shut up.
Maybe whatever the main part of the worm.
It does. But I have no idea. Picky as fuck, this bird.
Look down, bird.
I don't think worms can get more munched up.
See, there's been a lot of growing in my yard. Oh my god, a bug just flew in my mouth. Oh my god, that was a grasshopper that just hopped in my mouth. That was nasty. Find a freaking centipede then. I don't know.
This is the worm.
Oh, it's starting to walk again. Oh, there he
Here,
is.
there's a worm right here. Yo.
It's probably not hungry. It's agonizing it to eat. But meanwhile, it doesn't want to. Alright, we have to mush it up more. That's not even mushed up. That's just cut it in half.
Okay, here. Do they even eat
I
it
don't
like
think
that?
worms can even get mushed up unless somebody eats it, so.
Let's put it in a blender.
Ellie, you already got diseases. Why don't you eat it?
Give me a damn break. Here, get that thing away from us.
We're gonna name it Soldier.
What do birds eat? I'm gonna Google it.
How to
Whenever
feed a
we
baby
find
bird.
animals, they never eat the food.
Alright, Google how to feed a baby bird.
Yeah, we don't know this stuff.
Faith, when you said why do worms don't have
to
dicks?
feed a baby worm. I mean, no, I mean.
How to feed a baby worm? Yeah, let's feed a baby
There's a
worm.
spider.
Where?
Right there, you can't see it? It just passed. But I saw it crawling.
Wire.
No, it was like, camera.
It says if your baby toddler has worms,
If your baby,
how to feed a baby bird.
if your baby.
Shut up, champion.
According to Mercola Healthy Pets, Dr. Mercola, retrieve the baby
I think those are the birds trying to get it.
and gently place it in the shoebox. You may also be able to remove the homemade nest from the tree and place it with the bird into the shoebox.
They have no
Put
idea.
the shoebox in a warm, quiet area of your home. Don't attempt to feed the baby bird.
have to get one thing.
Don't attempt to feed the baby bird. So, sorry, but from the rules of Google, it says we can't feed you. I guess only your mother could.
How the hell are we supposed to find its freaking mom nest?
You don't find the mom, you wait for it to leave.
I know the nest.
What is it gonna do? We're gonna leave it?
Oh, we need to put it in a... Oh, shit.
Just put it in any nest we see.
I think we can see a nest, and first of all, the mother of that nest will kick the bird out.
No, if it,
Shut up, Chan.
you know it's actually not true. And plus, it doesn't have to go. Oh, it's just shit.
Alright, we need to put it in a...
Right there. Right there.
Oh, we need to put it in a warm house of the place.
Oh, shit
Put
again.
it in a shoebox.
shits.
And again, right there. I see that it's already eat. It already ate. Why are we trying to feed it?
Alright, when it's ready to fly, it'll fly. Mother kicked the bird out of the nest too soon.
Maybe
It's like,
just...
you're halfway to 18 years old. Get the hell out of my house.
You're always going around, jumping all...
And he's like, I don't know how to fly it, you dumb bitch.
Alright, mother.
Oh, look, it's mushrooms.
I know.
Good crook. You know, I'm not. That's where the ants are coming from. There's ants in it. Don't let Julia touch it. It'll probably get diseases from her. Oh! Guys, something just slithered. Something just slithered.
A snake.
No, it wasn't. It was bigger. No, it was skinnier. I mean, skinnier. It was like... crazy. No, it wasn't. A whole new world. Nothing really down there. Man, can't feed it anyway, so. And yes, I will be uploading more. I just got back from, like, finding my phone, so yeah. I guess that's gonna wrap this video up, and I'll see you
That's gonna wrap this video.
in the next video.